Welcome to Medacure, your trusted provider of top-of-the-line durable medical equipment and supplies. Today, we're thrilled to present the ULB48X730 Ultra Low Long-Term Care Bed with expandable width from 36-inch to 42-inch to 48-inch, the perfect solution for patient care. Setting up the bed is a breeze thanks to its absolute tool-free design. With a touch of the 8-function hand pendant, caregivers can effortlessly adjust the bed's height range, head and foot angle, and activate the auto contour function that simultaneously raises both the head and the knees. The simultaneous movement also helps prevent painful skin shearing that might otherwise occur during repositioning. The extensive travel range, from a low position of only 7-inch to a high position of 30-inch, ensures easy adjustments for various care scenarios. The expandable width bed frame is completely tool-free with a pull-spring adjustable design. The mattress deck expands from 36-inch to 42-inch to 48-inch and locks securely in place at each position. The adjustable headboard also expands from 36-inch to 48-inch, eliminating gaps and enhancing resident safety and comfort. In addition, the bed has an extendable length from 80-inch to 84-inch to adjust for the needs and comfort of taller residents. All Medacure long-term care beds use Linac actuators and controls exclusively. Linac is the #1 brand for high-quality bed actuators in the world, and we wouldn't consider anything less for absolute patient safety and product durability. The durable, reinforced steel tube frame boasts a heavy weight capacity of 550 pounds, ensuring safety and support for a wide range of patients, including a moderate bariatric. The locking and swivel casters allow for smooth mobility and stability, making the bed easy to maneuver and lock securely in place. The bed is also available with an optional one-touch floor locking system that quickly and easily lock and unlock the casters in place. The bed also includes mattress retainers that hold the mattress securely in place. IV sockets on bed corners provide easy access for medical equipment. We offer customization options with elegant head and footboard designs in mahogany, amber cherry, maple, and coastal gray. The bed ends have a quick release system that allows for easy removal when transferring a patient through a narrow door frame. At Medacure, we are committed to delivering exceptional products with excellent customer service. Our professional staff is expertly trained to answer any of your questions or concerns, and we are continuously researching and developing innovative solutions for senior and long-term care. Your satisfaction is our top priority. That's why all of our products are covered and serviced under our hassle-free warranty program. Our long-term care beds come standard with a 15-year warranty on the frame, 3 years on the electronics, and 1 year on the pendant. With distribution centers located across the USA, we guarantee quick and on-time delivery when and where you need it. Choose Medacure, the most trusted brand of durable medical equipment and supplies.